Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off that annoying beep sound when typing on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to use. Once you see your desktop and everything has finished starting up, you're ready to begin. Now, to turn off the beep sound when typing, navigate to your Windows menu located at the bottom left part of your screen. Instead of clicking on it normally, right-click on the Windows icon. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From the list that appears, click on Settings. This is your gateway to all the system configurations you'll need to adjust. A Windows settings window will now appear on your screen. To navigate faster through all the available options, look for the search bar located at the top part of the screen. This search function helps you quickly find specific settings without having to browse through multiple menus manually. In the search bar, type in Accessibility and press Enter. From the search results that appear, click on Ease of Access Keyboard Settings. This section contains all the keyboard-related accessibility features that Windows 11 offers. Once you're inside the keyboard settings, look for an option called Toggle Key. You'll notice a description next to it that explains this feature plays a sound whenever you press certain keys on your keyboard. This is the exact feature that's causing the beep sound you've been hearing while typing. To disable this beep sound, simply turn this toggle key option off. The moment you switch it off, the beep sound will be immediately disabled, and you can type without any annoying audio feedback interrupting your work or focus. And that's it! You've successfully turned off the beep sound when typing on Windows 11, giving you a quieter and more comfortable typing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.